Is your Fiverr seller account not getting approved? You are not alone. In this video, I will show you the exact reasons why Fiverr rejects accounts and how to fix it so you can start selling successfully. Thousands of new sellers face rejection every day. Fiverr is strict about quality and authenticity. But once you understand their rules, getting approved becomes much easier. First, incomplete or unclear registration information. Fiverr carefully reviews your profile, so missing skills, no work experience, or an empty portfolio can instantly get you denied. Second, your profile picture. Fiverr requires a clear professional photo of you, not a cartoon, not a logo, and definitely not something blurry. Third, your description. If it's too short, vague, or full of grammar mistakes, Fiverr won't take you seriously. Use this space to clearly explain your skills and what makes you unique. Fiverr also bans multiple accounts and fake information. If your new account is linked to a banned or rejected profile, it will be denied automatically. To fix this, start fresh with a new email, no links to old accounts, a professional headshot, and a fully completed profile. Write your own original detailed description. Also, never copy someone else's profile. Fiverr checks for plagiarism and will reject you instantly if they find it. If you still face issues, contact Fiverr support. They can review your application manually and may give you a second chance. Fiverr is looking for honest professional sellers who add value. Be patient, follow their rules, and your approval chances will skyrocket. Good luck.